In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the calendar within the email view panel in Outlook 365. By the end, you'll have your calendar visible right alongside your inbox, so you can check availability and upcoming events without switching screens. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft.com. This is the main landing page for all Microsoft services, and it's the easiest way to get to Outlook if you're not already signed in. Once you're there, look for the option labeled All Microsoft. This link opens a full list of Microsoft apps and services, which helps you jump straight to Outlook without guessing where to go. From that list, click Outlook. This will take you to Outlook on the web, which is part of Microsoft 365. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to do so. Click Sign In. Go ahead and sign in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft 365 account so you can access your mail and calendar. After you sign in, you'll land in your inbox. Now, here's the key to viewing your calendar next to your email. In the top right corner of Outlook on the web, click on My Day. The My Day panel is designed to give you a quick snapshot of what's important without pulling you away from your current view. It slides out on the right side of your inbox, so you can keep reading or composing emails while also seeing what's coming up. Inside the My Day panel, click Calendar. This switches the panel to show your calendar right within the email view. You should now see a compact calendar with your events for the day, and you can scroll through dates to check availability or see what's next. This view is great for planning replies, proposing times, or confirming if you're free without opening a separate tab. If you're replying to a meeting request or coordinating schedules, having the calendar right here helps you move faster and avoid context switching. A couple of quick tips while you're here. The My Day panel remembers your last selection, so the next time you open it, calendar will be ready to go. If you don't immediately see events, make sure you're looking at the correct day. And remember that this panel is a streamlined view meant for quick checks rather than full calendar management. That's all you need to show the calendar within the email view panel in Outlook 365. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.